Want to sync your FormyChat leads with FluentCRM? With the Ultimate version, you can send all WhatsApp and form submissions directly into FluentCRM for automation and email marketing. First, make sure both the free and Ultimate versions of FormyChat are installed and activated, along with FluentCRM. Next, go to the FormyChat settings and open the Integrations tab. Make sure FluentCRM is listed and enabled. Then, go to the Floating Widgets section. Choose the widget you want to use and click Edit. Inside the widget settings, go to the Triggers and Targeting tab. Scroll down to the Integration section and turn on Send Leads to FluentCRM. You can now select a list, assign tags, map fields like name, email, and phone, and choose to skip existing contacts if you want to avoid duplicates. Finally, click Save. From now on, new leads will automatically appear in both the FormyChat leads dashboard and FluentCRM contacts.